Muy buenos días, mi nombre es Jairo José Hernández. Hello everyone, my name is Jairo José Hernández. Today I'm going to present my graduation project. The leader of my project is design if an improvement proposal for the logistics distribution processes of loyalty gave Interfondo under the value network approach. The purpose of this project is to provide the logistics distribution processes of loyalty gift delivery to Cresfondo members. The project was developed because some members received their gifts late, affecting customer satisfaction and the organization loyalty strategy. This research was carried out in Cresfondo, an employee found with office in different regions of Colombia. The study focused on analyzing the current logistics process to identify the main causes of delivery delays and proposes practical improvement strategy. The research used a mixed approach with a descriptive and proposal-oriented scoping. Information provided by Cresfond was analyzed, including logistics records, distribution data, and operation information. The methodology consisted of four stages: collecting information, diagnosing the logistics process, identifying the main problems, and designing an improvement proposal. The research showed that Cresfondo has three seven-member distributors in A7 offices located in 9 regional zones. However, three four offices experience logistics problems that after one for four members. The main causes are poor route conditions, public order situation, and difficult access to some regions. Based on these findings, an improvement proposal was discerned. The proposal included better logistics planning, prioritization of critical areas, implementation of the logistics indicator, better achievement taken, and improved communication among all the participants involved. The distribution process. In conclusion, this project showed that improving logistics planning and coordination can reduce delivery delays, optimize the distribution process, and increase member satisfaction. The proposal also extends the value network by improving collaboration between suppliers, transport operator, and Cresfond. Thank you very much for your attention.